We have gathered reviews from across the internet to provide you with a comprehensive look at the BOGRAND Universal Socket Tools, a versatile and innovative wrench set designed to simplify your DIY and repair tasks. This tool is marketed as a universal super socket wrench, capable of fitting a wide range of nut and bolt sizes, making it an ideal gift for men, husbands, dads, handymen, and anyone who enjoys or needs to do home repairs. It is especially popular as a Christmas gift, birthday present, or for special occasions like Father's Day and Valentine's Day. The product promises convenience and efficiency by replacing multiple sockets with a single adaptable tool. The universal socket is crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for its durability and strength. It features 54 super strong steel rods that conform to various shapes and sizes of nuts and bolts, including rings, square nuts, rotating hooks, hexagons, and wing nuts. This adaptability covers standard sizes from 1/4 to 3/4 inches and metric sizes from 7 millimeters to 19 millimeters, making it suitable for most household DIY repair and maintenance tasks. The polished finish and ergonomic design contribute to a comfortable grip and reduced user fatigue, enhancing work efficiency. Users frequently highlight the tool's portability and lightweight nature, weighing only 6.4 ounces and measuring 3.54 by 2.75 by 1.18 inches. This compact design allows it to replace an entire heavy socket set, saving space and making it easy to carry anywhere without burden. Many customers appreciate having one tool that can handle multiple sizes, eliminating the need to search through a toolbox for the right socket. This feature alone has made the universal socket a favorite for quick fixes and on-the-go repairs. Performance-wise, the universal socket works exceptionally well with power drills and impact drivers. Users report that it easily grips bolts and nuts without slipping, even on awkward or hard-to-reach fasteners. The tool's ability to conform to different shapes means it can handle damaged or rounded nuts that traditional sockets struggle with. This versatility is a significant advantage for anyone who encounters a variety of fastener types in their work or DIY projects. Several reviewers initially expressed skepticism, often due to seeing similar products advertised in less credible ways. However, after trying the BOGRAND Universal Socket Tools, many were pleasantly surprised by its sturdiness and effectiveness. The tool's construction feels solid and durable, providing confidence that it can withstand regular use. It has been praised for its ability to handle tasks such as fixing snowblower chutes, removing deep-set nuts, and tightening bolts with minimal effort. The universal socket has also been well received as a gift. Recipients often express amazement at how well it works and appreciate the convenience of needing only one tool for multiple sizes. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to give practical and thoughtful presents to friends or family members who enjoy tinkering or need reliable tools for home maintenance. There are some minor considerations to keep in mind. While the tool is highly versatile, it may not replace every specialized socket needed for very specific or heavy-duty tasks. Some users might still prefer a full set of sockets for professional or intensive mechanical work. Additionally, the tool does not require batteries and operates mechanically, which is a plus for reliability, but means it depends entirely on manual or drill power. Overall, the BOGRAND Universal Socket Tools stand out as a clever and efficient solution for everyday repairs and DIY projects. Its combination of high-quality materials, ergonomic design, and universal fit makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users across the internet confirms its reputation as a handy, time-saving tool that simplifies the process of loosening and tightening various nuts and bolts. If you own this product or decide to try it, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This tool is highly recommended for anyone looking to streamline their tool collection and tackle a wide range of repair tasks with ease.